video. It's going to be about upcoming videos that will be coming up. Today we went to the auto show. We took a bunch of footage of the different manufacturers, and on the videos that we're going to show, and it's basically a first look. We got to walk around and get up close to a lot of the vehicles. Some of them we got to go inside, some we didn't. So basically going to be videos on Ford booth and then GM booth and that. We didn't get a lot of footage on like certain vehicles that I wanted to get footage on. It got packed. It got pretty busy. We went to the industrial preview. It's not out. The show wasn't open to the public. It was just an industrial preview. A lot of manufacturer companies there, and it was really hard to get a lot of footage on certain things. It got packed. So my understanding of the industrial preview, a lot of manufacturers, they're there really looking at the vehicles. We noticed some of the guys measuring stuff on the vehicles, like windshield wipers, the windshields, let's see what else, the glove boxes. They had measuring tapes, and basically measuring tape like you do for your clothes. And they're measuring that and they're writing stuff down. We seen guys underneath trucks taking, tons of footage of just one vehicle, and really a lot. So it was hard to go in some of those vehicles and get footage with them doing that, which is fine. We still had a great time. Maybe next time we won't go to the industrial premiere, or maybe try to get there a little bit earlier. And then what was really cool at the auto show, IndyCar driver Will Power was next to us a lot. He was at the show with a couple people, and it was like in a few sections. It was nice. He was basically in the same section, so that was cool to see him. We didn't bother him. He was there enjoying the show. Didn't want to ask for an autograph, but if you want to look him up, it's Will Power. He drives for IndyCar. He drives for Team Penske. So it was kind of cool to see him there. I believe he was in town for an award that he received in Auburn Hills. I have to look it back up, but he received the award. I think it was called the Baby Bog or something like that. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. So some of the videos that are out right now from the auto show, those were reveals of the vehicles for the press conference. So I figured put them on the channel to kind of draw some traffic to the channel. And then but the next videos are going to be some probably maybe titled maybe the same way with the Mustang GT500. In the next video on the GT500, they did another evaluation when we were there, so I took footage of that. We're kind of a little bit on a different angle, so that'd be cool. And then we got to look at the car up close and take some pictures and take some video. So basically, it's going to be, you're seeing the same vehicles. Some other manufacturers had little shows. A couple of them I think I got to go through my footage and see which ones. Yeah, we had a great time, and it would just be in a series, so I figured I'd let you guys know and give you guys a little update of what's going on for the Dtroit Auto Show series. And then of course I'll have another detailed video coming out with the Charger with the polywax on there, and then I gotta do some other videos. It's kind of hard to do it in the winter. We're getting a bunch of snow this week, so make it quick. I hope you guys look forward to the car show videos from Dtroit Auto Show, North America Auto Show 2019. Another thing, next year, 2020 Auto Show will not be in the January, the winter months. They moved it to June. They think it's going to be better in June, which I think it will be. They're going to have events outside. I believe they're going to extend it, so that'd be something like if I go down there, it might be a few days to go down there and get some footage. Especially go outside and get to enjoy it. That'd be pretty cool. Nice weather instead of cold. Yeah, it was pretty busy. Today we had a park pretty far away, a little bit, about a 15-minute walk. It was nice. We kind of know the area a little bit. We know kind of where to park. You got to walk a little bit, but you're all right. And your car is fine. Not get tickets or towed, so that's what we did. And that was cool. We walked with some other people going in. They parked in the same spot, and it was nice. There's only maybe 5 cars that park in that area. And there's a pretty big stretch that a lot of vehicles can get there and park and just walk. You just walk the back side of Joe Louis and walk along a couple, and you get right in. And it's nice in that spot. It's so easy to get out of there. You get on the freeway, or if you don't want to take the freeway to go south, it's very easy. in that area. You just got to put up with a little bit of walking, but that's fine. It's good for us. End of the video, we're going to have some footage of the show. Just give you guys a little teaser for what's coming ahead for the other videos coming up. Hope you guys enjoy it and look for those videos. You guys have a great one. And if you want to subscribe and like, it's up to you guys. Go ahead, it helps. That'd be cool. Later.